Once upon a time, a lone elephant was walking in the forest to make friends. He saw a monkey and asked, "Can you be my friend, monkey?" The monkey said, "You are big to swing like me, so I can't be your friend." Then the elephant met a rabbit and asked, "Can you be my friend, rabbit?" The rabbit replied, "You are too big, fit inside my burrow, so I can't be your friend," said the rabbit. The elephant went to the frog in the pond and asked the same question. The frog said, "You are too big and heavy to jump like me, so I can't be your friend," said the frog. The elephant asked some more animals he met on his way. He got the same answer, that he was too big. The elephant was so sad that he could not make any friends. Next day, the elephant saw a hungry lion chasing all the animals to eat them. The elephant went up to the lion and said, "Please don't eat my friend, leave them." The hungry lion roared loudly and asked the elephant to move aside. Then the elephant got angry and pushed the lion with all her energy. The lion got injured and ran away. All the other animals saw the elephant saving them from the lion. They all went to the elephant and said, "You are just right size to be our friend." Thank you.